Alright, good morning-ish, guys. It's late start for me. It's March 1st, 2024. We got some little windy conditions out there. I'm gonna hide from all this eventually. I just got to deal with some of it on the way there. Stop by here to check if anyone's in this little area. Sometimes there's trout here or something. Usually a trout or a little red something, but doesn't seem to be any action right now. I got some fiddler crabs today, and we're going to be using those hopefully to get a limit of sheepshead. I got the big cooler in the back today, so if we get 8, we keep an 8 today. So that's the plan. If I do get one, maybe 21, 22 inch red, I might keep him as well for some food. Today's a meat trip. All right, that's the goal, is to catch something to eat. So all right, let's see what happens, guys. All right, everybody, we saw 2 reds swimming by and some sheepshead. Oh, I had somebody chasing there. What was that? You okay, buddy? You okay? You just looking at me, or something wrong with him? He's okay. He's just swimming around. He's just checking me out. First fish, a trout on the troll. If you take notice at the screen, there is a slope change on the left side of the sonar where I ended up hooking up with the fish. Yeah, what happened here, guys, is that I showed up, and as soon as I casted it, it was just on fire, and I thought I was recording. I checked if it was recording. It was, but it was recording in time warp. Every time that happens, I mean, if there is software out there that anybody here knows about, that we can save any of that stuff, but currently what I'm using doesn't allow me to fix that, so it's just, but yeah, I did end up getting some good film here coming up. I already got 4 of them in the cooler, guys. This is the number 5. under there, right here, and go right through there and out to the top. Keep the pinchers on if you can, gives it a bigger profile. Let's see if somebody's over here. Oh, he got me. He got me. Damn. Yeah, if you guys look at this guy looked a little weird to me. He looked like he was a mix between a pinfish and a sheep's head. So, let's see. Comment if you guys agree. Looks a little weird. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to maintain that line being really tight. That way I can see the line moving before they touch it. With these sheep's head, they can be really finicky. So if you can keep that line tight, and if you see your line moving at all, set the hook. Limit it out. Ooh. There he is. Oh. Snooky. Snook. Quick release. Oh guys, right now I got the sniper, bull base sniper with my pen slammer, 10-pound braid, 30-pound leader, fluoro, 1/4 ounce jig head, Wise Guys tackle paddle tail. Snooky. Snooky. Nice. Upper teens, I'm gonna guess. Go. Nice snooky. Into the darkness. He was right on that edge. And frayed line, I can see it. That's why you guys use 30. A lot of people ask, why do I use 30? You know, that's a barely in the 20s inch red or snook. Anything bigger, they're gonna even put more damage on this. So if you guys notice at the sonar, there's definitely a depth change visible on the screen, on the left side of the screen, as you can see, and there's a slope up, and that's why I started to make some casts there. So that was the reason I started casting there. Better trout. I'm not keeping any other fish. I got limit out on sheepshead. Red. Slam. There he is. There you go, buddy. Here we go. Slam complete. I was flying by here. Here. You serious? Yuck. Catfish. Yuck. On a paddle tail. Yuck. Yuck. That hasn't happened in a minute. Hey. Damn catfish. Oh, he's in it already. Shit. Shit. Oh, he came off. That's perfect. Perfect. Oh. Oh. Dang it. Yep, he frayed the line, guys. That's a little guy, too. Oh, man. That sucks. Trout. On the DOA again. Nice little trout. That's a good red. That's a red. I hope so. Yeah, it feels. Oh, I don't like those. It's another catfish. He's laughing at me. Holy moly. It's a sail cat this time. Even more dangerous. He's hooked pretty damn good. I'm gonna try to show everybody how to handle these guys correctly. Oh. Alright. Problem is the hook is on the bottom. Okay, so that's how you handle them, and then get that out of there. All right, everybody, so we're just heading back now. We've got a limit of sheepshead to clean, so time is limited. That's going to take me a little bit there. And sheepshead aren't the easiest to clean. They got some thick skin, but successful day. Finished with a slam today also, and couldn't ask for a better day. So started off late. It's about 3 o'clock now, so I'm at a 5-hour mark, and then I'm heading back in right now. So if you're interested in a fishing charter with us, give us a call at 941-999-1365 or go to JupitersKayakFishing.com. Thanks for watching, man. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you later.